tube filling and sealing machine. This machine is mainly used for filling and sealing aluminum pipes. It is suitable for all kinds of products and is an ideal choice for filling and sealing cream, ointment, gel, and paste tubes. The machine has clear functions, simple operation, and easy cleaning. This machine is widely used in the fields of pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, food, chemical industry, etc.